Hello, this is an unboxing video, but this package is from China. So usually I buy the whole console from Japan and I buy the spare parts from China because only they have it, right? So it's going to be pretty random. So let's see what do I have. Right. This GBA, but eh, what? They they write it. Please no. They write on the product itself. I cannot imagine. Is there a protective film or something? Right. So if you don't know what it is actually. Give me a moment. I'll bring something. This is actually the protection case for a Game Boy Advance cartridge box. Right, the size is just nice. It's fit very well, so that because the original box is just normal paper, right? So it's really easily damaged. But what I'm so disappointed and surprised is that they can just write on the product itself. Never mind, later I'll try to clear this up with alcohol. And what's this? Anyone can guess what it is? So this what? Right. Oh no, I gotta throw this away. Somehow it is deep. What material is this? I cannot tell. So anyway, if you can imagine, this is the back cover of the Nintendo Game & Watch Mario model. And why do I need this? Is because after we modify, actually there is, if you want to modify again, you have to open it up and find the serial port and hook onto it with the ESP32, right? But with this shell, I actually create an opening here so that I can put a connector over there, so without opening up the back shell, we just connect, right? So this is like a pilot project. I just want to see how well it works. So I got printed 5 and let's see. These are some Game Boy Color battery cover with what's this? Okay, these screws are probably the 3DS battery cover screw. Yep. And needless to say, these are the Game Boy Advance battery cover. Right, these things are very simple, but there are so many variants out there in the market. So I go to buy, and each of them they are different, right? So they are clone, but they are not of the same quality, right? So I have to purchase and purchase and purchase in order to find a shop that have a better quality battery cover clone, right? So that's his for this time. What I'm lucky is that I find a gold and silver battery cover, which is not available easily. Yeah, but I think the orange cover seems a bit of low quality, and their color doesn't, it's not matching 100% with the original shell. What's this? What's this? I already forget, after so long, I already forget things that I have purchased. I hope this is ladies and gentlemen, this costs how much? 30 pound or 30 euro, I believe. 30 euro 2DS crystal case. Yeah, so it's from this UK company called Z Labs, and they kind of purchased. This zlabs.com. Right? So I don't. So this is the only shell available that can cover the front as well as the back of a 2DS, and it only makes sense if you have a very nice condition 2DS, right? And you want to preserve the shine of it. So, and I see ladies that have put the pink color or the lavender color 2DS into this, and they put some cute stickers, and the entire thing is so wow, right? So anyway, I cannot resist to give it a try. And what's this? Alright, some button membrane, some more battery cover, and what's this? Some screen lens. Yeah, nothing too special. I'm just restock my inventory. What's this? It is battery, right? Are they battery? Let me check. DSi battery. Am I right? Yes, I am. Right? So DSi. Oh, this is third party. Does not look like very high quality, but I need to find a shop. If they are pretending they are selling original or high quality, I got to blacklist them, right? Okay. And what's this? It's kind of heavy. So what could it be? Okay. This I believe this shop is claiming that this is original Nintendo new original Nintendo CDR001 CDR003 rechargeable battery for 3DS, 2DS, and also the Nintendo Switch Pro controller battery, right? These are new. Yeah, I can tell it's new and it is original, so thumbs up, right? Probably the reason that we can get hold of the new stock is because that it's being used in the Switch Pro controller. That's why they are still new. This is for myself, and I purchased this because I really want to go to Paris, but I cannot afford, so I'm purchasing this. That I heard that this thing is like a Paris tour simulator, right? So I'm going to see like how does it look like. Oh, there are some scratches. I hope it doesn't affect the readability of the disc. Alright, and what else do I have? Yeah. Oh yeah. So it's a new camera that I purchased to kind of improve the video quality that I'm recording, I'm uploading to YouTube. Alright, yeah, I hope it helps. Right, it's kind of the cheapest model I can find as of now, but I hope. But I searched online that people are saying that the video quality is still fine. It is fine, at least for my usage. right? Oh, this box has been reused like 15 times, and let me okay, a couple of Nintendo stuff, right? 3DS XL pink, and DSL. DSL is still, I mean, if anyone, right? If anybody are interested, or you think that in the future you're going to be interested in the DS Lite, this particular model, I would say that please go ahead and purchase now, because the price is still low. But the good unit, the unit of acceptable condition, is finishing very fast, right? It's finishing very fast. Screen yellowish, not to say. The shell crack, not to say. And a lot, right? Okay. So the good condition unit is like finishing up so fast. And actually, for your information, the third party or original screen for DS Lite is no stock. Is having no stock right now, and the only few person that is having the a leftover, a few pieces. The price is like going up super fast. So if you want, this is really the time, and the factory have started to manufacture DS Lite new screen, IPS screen, but it is not a mature product yet. You have to cut the shell from here and there and here and there in order to fit in the IPS screen, and it's not something that an ordinary, hobbyist can easily do, right? All right, lens to match my Sony camera, right? So this is what I get for travel, and as you can see, the focal length 18 to 50 mm f2.8, right? So equivalent or a better option than this would be the Sony themselves. 16 to 55 mm focal length f2.8, but that lens have, number one, too expensive, number two, too big, too heavy, right? So Sigma have this option, and I see the review is pretty good, so I cannot wait to give it a try. So that's all for today's unboxing. It's a little bit random and it's not 100% related to my channel, but anyway, I'm very happy and very excited to share, and I would say it's still related because I take videos, right, based on using this. So maybe on a new video you can tell that the quality is much better or not, right? Does it worth the like 1,300, 1,400 investment on the camera lens? Let me know. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.